back to another video, and as you can see in this video, we are at our goat house, and we built it 2.5 years ago, and since then we haven't done any work. Besides, actually, David said, yeah, we laid the concrete floor there, but we haven't done any outside beauty work, and we really hate the way it looks. It looks unfinished, and it's also not the best. It already has been sitting 2 years untreated. So today's the day we are gonna tackle up that project. I felt a drop of rain.
I did too.
Because we already have mid-end of the day, and I think this is a very quick project we can do and something we have to do. So let's get started by cleaning up all this very embarrassing front mess that we have created. But first probably go inside because it started to rain.
We can clean up. Rain doesn't bother us. We're not from sugar.
I guess.
Hello. I have a chicken.
This year we have to use that wool on the garden. So far the stork has been really enjoying it.
Yeah, stork loves wool.
Chicken. Don't please leave.
Savage.
Whoa, what did you catch?
Frog.
Is it a frog?
Yep.
What? Sorry.
They are carnivores.
Jenga. Now, how's the other game called where you pull the sticks?
Bingo.
Oh, how's it called? Oh.
Jenga.
No, Jenga's a tower.
Lucky my wall didn't go.
Good job, Limey.
So we have cleaned everything up, we have cut the grass. It takes us absolutely no time to clean up, so we could have done it any time really. We're just kind of keeping it aside and a bit lazy in sense. And now it's time to paint the walls, and the color we have is the discounted color that we spilled everywhere in the floor already, that we made a mess. And we're gonna paint, actually I realized, just till here, because this bottom one I want to cover it with a skinny layer of cement, because that gets eroded with water and moisture. So I do want to just cover that fully up, just so it stops happening, and all around the house. And then we're gonna also paint the rest of it, and when we paint the rest of it, we're also gonna paint that bottom as well. So let's get started and just paint this wall and see if we really like it.
And this paint is outdoor paint.
Yeah.
It's called facade paint for houses. So.
Yeah. Who did this cut?
You?
So that is done. It does look a lot better already, and it adds a bit of extra protection for the blocks themselves. They're not the strongest blocks out in the weather. Of course, these ones are on the roof, but the rest of the walls, they are quite exposed to weather. And of course, in big rain, they all get wet as well. And after a while, they get quite a big erosion, so they're not as strong as a normal brick. That's why they require a facade. Usually, you put either a wood cover, you put a concrete like a layer on top, and paint it. But we are unsure of exactly what we want to do. I would love to put a facade, so probably that's what we're going to go for, to make it look like a wood building. And the windows, we're probably also going to change to probably openable windows. We might just get used plastic windows, because those are probably the best. And we need to seal all the top as well. So there's still a lot of work to do with this barn. We also need to put the door back in. I think we're gonna have a lot of work on this. So plus this is just the one side. Of course, we have the other side as well to do, and we have to clean out all the hay as well, since I think the season is nearly over. So we need to clean out the barn as well, pressure wash the insides, paint also the insides, refix them, the feeders. There's so much work with this building. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
I really love it. From far away it even looks better. What do you think, chickens? You haven't seen it, you were all gone. Nothing? Nothing. It literally sounds like he's in there, Trav. That he's screaming from the pipe that goes all the way down. Do you hear me?
I hear you very clear. That's talking about onions.